Ki nongshong chnong ki badai ki trai jaka ki bana chnong rim elaka Nongkhlieh EJHD Hills District menta ka sngi ki la lecha ophis jong ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board Shillong da ka jingthmu bani kandu bat member secretary ka MSPCB Henry ki khlamla bani kandu namar ba dan ha office ka jinglek ki nongshong chnong ka dei halor ka jingkni jaka ka company Shri Simen ha chnong rim elaka Nongkhlieh Kijaka kibadai kidai kijaka rap jongki kine kinong shong shnong kilabu da ka jingtho hapo ka office MSPCB Shillong bat hapo ka jingtho balabu akhmat member secretary MSPCB kila donru hadu praposan ngon kibalaya soi kerteng.
It's Dini Patwet. I'm the resident of the Shillong village under the elaka of Nongkhlieh. We came here as the residents of the Shillong and the farmers of the Shillong. We came here to in this office of Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board to place our objection clearly against the public notice to conduct the public hearing for the trees Cement Limited to for limestone mining in our area, in our place. So we came here. Actually, we didn't meet the chairman and the secretary of this office, but we have submitted the documents and all the related documents here in this office. So the land where the public hearing is proposed to for the limestones mining by the Shri Cement Limited is our ancestral land, and this land is belong to us. Till today, we have not sold or leased or given to any individuals or to any company or to anyone to use this land. So we want to ask a simple question to the highest authority: how can a public hearing take place without the consent of the landowners? We are the rightful landowners of this area, of this place, Lom Sarman. So we strongly state that any attempt to proceed with this public hearing without our permission is unjust and a violation of our rights. So therefore we demand that the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board to immediately stop this public hearing. The times within 7 days to withdraw this process, or first to resolve the issue of the landowners. So as we have already stated yesterday about all the issues related with this land, so we today the same we remind our elected representative right from the MLA, the MDC, and especially the Doloi of our elaka, that they are given powers to protect the people, to protect our lands, to protect and also to see our problem. We are not giving them the powers. We are not giving them the powers, or we are not allowed them to sell our land or to give our lands to others people, especially to the company without our consent. So what I want to say here today, if our concern, if our issue are ignored, we will be compelled to take the further necessary step to protect our lands and our rights. This is our land. This Lom Sarman is belong to us, not to anyone, not to that to the company of the Shri Cement Limited. It is belong to us. So we will stand united. We will protect our land and we will claim it, because this is our rights and this is our property.
Tuto gat kamaman hanipor I gat kama jingjung I notice wa ongi am chnong lum forman I gat kama jing chiam yong I wi chiam I mu to mjung wa am chnong hani lum forman nei ba im tv unu wa chnong wa am hani lum forman to wa ga chnong lam jujung ka nga gat tu lasan phuli de ligis nem da de I ma hani po elaka Nongkhlieh wa de manole udo usnam yong ka wa da kha da pun da be yanga tengah menjunjung em cina. Lasan pulih gede senang mendekat tengah menjunjung ini cina. Ini to ijing kuat yang kami wa yeyen hane por dibenta wa ipenche bi hajing yato ogani gecina. Ne hewan em gini kot kislah gat kamaman ira budeni gini kam yang gini kot kislah gu yato tatara lum serman. Tengah naliang onga tadu ini hi kuat pan jingche yu penche bi hajing yato ogani gecina. Tengah kuat jing penche uyi uhe cenong woman em hani lum serman. Naduh ini Lyngba sekretari yang kal atau khanari yo ching ikam gibru em hachnong snorim em po ilaga Nongkhlieh. Jadi ini kita kadiak boleh cibun. Nyoba khanachi